Okay, so I get it. Most of us don't like cleaning. I don't like cleaning either, but who is going to clean up this house? Sure, I have helpers, but a lot of times when your helpers do the work, they don't necessarily clean the way you may clean, right? Well, guess what? I have one hack that I use every single day. Hey guys, my name is Alec. My daughter calls me Sunshine. This is a place where I'm free to be me on my soapbox. Before I show you that one life hack that I use, let's take a walk to the laundry room. Let me show you this. Now, up on this shelf, this is what I always would use, okay? I would always use it. And then I have even more over here. Wait, I have even more down here, right? I said, you know what? Something has got to give. I'm using all these things, you know? And I have a pet, and if my pet gets sick, that means there's more money that I have to spend to make sure she gets well. I am super frugal, okay? If I can save a coin or 2 or 5 or 10, I'm gonna do that. And this is what I choose to use. You got it. Distilled white vinegar. And the brand is Hill Country. That is the cheapest brand that you can find at our local grocery store. Now, originally, this bottle here is what I originally went for, okay? I didn't know any better. I just saw it, I said, let me try this out to see if it'll work. It worked wonders. But then guess what? I ran out. You gonna find the cheapest kind of vinegar you can get and you just refill it. So that's what I do. Come take a look inside the pantry, okay? I always make sure that I always have 2 on standby, just in case, right? $2 and some change, you can't beat that. Oh my goodness. In this kitchen, I have to clean up this entire kitchen, not to mention the entire house. This right here works wonders. If you don't believe me, check it out for yourself. You know, sometimes my daughter, she loves kiwi and all sorts of fruits, but sometimes she'll leave little things behind just for me, right? I guess she figures she wants to contribute to the, since you're retired, I don't want you to be bored at all, so I'll give you something to do campaign. So thank you so much, Gabby. I enjoy you leaving me all these wonderful gifts throughout the day. You can use vinegar to disinfect any sort of plastic cutting board. Actually, you can use vinegar to disinfect a lot more than just this. It's great to use on glass tables or just glass, period. I don't just use vinegar in the kitchen. I use it in the bathroom too. In the comment section below, let me know what your #1 cleaner is that you use for your house. Or if you are willing to try out this good old white cheap vinegar. I'm telling you, don't knock it till you try it. You'll thank me later.